Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be showcasing the new Prime Shotgun. And if I'm being frequently honest, it's not my favorite shotgun. In fact, it's not even close. It's probably my least favorite shotgun. Yeah, so we're going to be landing at Shuffle Shrines and we're going to be trying to get it. Yeah, so I'm just going to land on my tree here, got some legendary loot. And, oh yes, I got it off first strike, let's go. Yes, so this, oh wait one sec, let me heal. So this is the Prime Shotgun. So you can see it has 4 bullets, and one at the top is red. Now that's for a very special reason. So the red one at the top is the first bullet. Now that is the one that's going to do the most damage when you shoot it. So yeah. Also, again, it is not my favorite shotgun, but it does have its advantages, I guess. So yeah, I'll just land here, get the combination. And yeah, if you want to see how I got the combination, go and check out my other video. But yeah. Oh crap, there's a person here. Okay. Oh, stuffed up that shockwave, that's for sure. Oh dear. Oh, got a tag. Yeah, let's go. Oh, I'm nearly dead. Wow. Alright, so I've got the combination. Now I'm going to go and open up the vault. Bolt, I meant. Damn, that was really close to me having a death there. That would not have been fun. Oh, give me that. I want that AR. I'm not the biggest fan of the Striker Burst anymore. It's just, I think the combat might be the best go-to work with. I don't know why, it's just, it does a fair bit of damage, it's fast shooting. It's just, okay, I guess. Okay. Oh, that was right. No. Okay, well, time to get to the end. Please, I have 70 of the pressure plates. Yeah. And yep, made it. And just in case anyone comes through, bam. Oh, damn, let me through. That's fast. Ooh, okay, that's good. And that's really bad. I think I might take that. I've got 5 shockwave, which will be useful. I'm gonna do the special door. Open that up. I'm gonna get this big one into me. Yeah, so yeah, this place is just really great to go to. You can just get heaps of loot and just everything you need pretty much. Okay, well, time to get out. Okie dokie. Destroy that one and destroy that one. Okay, now should be able to survive this. I hope so. Oh, let's get out of the way. Yeah, let's go. Okay, so that's a little glitch in survive the vault no matter what you do. There's these little pockets on the side where you can just slip in and the bowl cannot get you. So that's what I just do every single time. Or just have enough patience to wait for someone to come and try and rush me. Alright, well I'm gonna go and look for some people and loot up a bit more. Oh yeah, I see a person there. Come on, yeah, got the kill. Let's go. Oh yeah, let's just go and gather up his ammunition and stuff. And let's look for some more people. No one else? No, that's just a wolf. Okay. Well, I'm gonna look for some even more people. Oh damn, you hear me? That ain't particularly good, is it? Oh, come on. Where you up to? Is he underneath me or in the sky? Yeah, he's underneath. following you. Now I'm gonna kill this person. Yeah, let's go. Please tell me he had heals. Oh yeah, he had heals. Oh, thank goodness. Ooh, damn. That's a nice kill right there. There's another guy who shot me in the back, sadly. But he had a crown, so I'm gonna try and pick that up and hope that I get a crown win. Come on. Don't kill me, please. I don't want to be stabbed in the back. Yep. Oh, by the way, there's boogie bombs back in the game. And there's new quests. Oh, I don't want to charge. New quests for some cosmetics like the like these. Like you can get some back blings, other stuff, and more. I might talk about it a bit more in another video, or a bit later in the video. But bit in trouble now because of the storm. Boom. Doesn't look like there's any more on around, so I'm just gonna. Oh no, there's some gunshots. Like too greasy. I'm gonna check that out. Oh, yeah, there's a guy there. Oh, missed that. Got that. Oof. I don't really particularly like the idea of me dying. Hammer assault. Oof. No! Well, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.